In this quick video, I will give you a tutorial about the futures trading on the platform Tapbit. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Tapbit, you simply have to go down to the first link in the video description and then you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $320 of bonuses by simply depositing and reaching certain trading volume milestones. You can get up to a total of $320 of bonuses. To create your account, simply enter your email address right here, get a code and enter it right here. Then set a password, agree to the terms, and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, you will get to this page right here. And the first thing I want to show you is how you can deposit money. First, how to deposit crypto. You simply go up here to assets and then click on deposit. Then up here, make sure to choose the coin that you want to deposit. So you can deposit any cryptocurrency. As you can see right here, I'm just going to start off with USDT for now. And for the network, I'm just going to select the TRC20 network, for example. And then down here, you will see your personal deposit address, which you can now copy to your clipboard and then simply send the crypto to this address and you will receive it in here within just a few minutes. So that's how you can deposit any cryptocurrency. If you don't have any crypto yet, or you want to deposit with fiat, so euro, US dollars, British pound, whichever fiat currency you have, you can also do that on here by simply going up to buy crypto and then click on third party payment. Then up here, choose the fiat currency you want to deposit. In my case, I'm just going to start off with euro for now and enter the amount. I'm just going to choose 500 euro, for example, and I want to receive it in USDT on my account right here. Then down here, you can see the different payment providers with their different payment methods. So your Visa or MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or just a normal bank transfer. You can see this payment provider down here also offers KYC free deposits with up to 700 euros. So that's pretty nice. Once you've chosen one, just simply agree to the terms down here. You can see how much you will get and then just click on confirm and you will be redirected to the selected third-party service where you need to enter your payment details and confirm the purchase. Once you've done that, it only takes a few minutes and you should have the money right here in your account. Note that if you're using these services, except for this one right here, you need to verify your identity to do that. If you don't want to do that, or you also want to deposit larger amounts, I have a separate video on my channel where I show you how you can step-by-step buy crypto on another exchange and then send the crypto simply over to Tapbit. And this works pretty well for bigger amounts as well as staying completely anonymous on Tapbit. All right, so once you have made any deposit, you can simply check that by going up here to your assets and then just click on overview. And here you will see all of your deposits and whenever any money has arrived on here. If we go to our spot account right here, you can also see that we have our USDT in here that we deposited. If you made your crypto deposit with anything else than USDT, we first need to convert it to USDT to then trade with it. And you can simply do that by going up here to spot. Then up here in the top left, we can choose the trading pair. So depending on which cryptocurrency you still have, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, you just choose the trading pair. And then here on the right side, click on sell, market to sell it immediately. Right here, just put this to 100% to sell all of it and then just click on sell BTC and then we will have converted the crypto to USDT where we need it. Then we can go back up here to our assets and overview. And once we have it here in our spot account in US dollar tether, we can now trade with it. And in our next step, we need to transfer it from our spot account to our perpetual account to then trade with it. So you can just go back to your overview. We need it from here to here. Just click on transfer. Choose from spot to derivatives, USDT. In here, I'm just going to select all and click on confirm. And then as you can see, we've transferred it to our perpetual account and now we can trade with the money. Now let's check out the trading platform. And to get there, we simply go up here to derivatives and then click on USDT perpetual. Then we will get to this trading page right here. I'm going to show you now step by step everything we can see right here. So first of all, on the top left, you can choose the trading pair. So depending on which cryptocurrency you want to trade, you can just select the trading pair right here. Down below, you can see the price chart, and that is just a cutout from TradingView. So you will have all the different chart functions in here. And up here, you can also choose the different time frames right here. On the right side, you can see the order book and the recently happened trades. And at the bottom, you can see your open positions, which we can see when we open our first position in just a bit, as well as your open orders or your history. On the right side, we can see information about our current balance. So these are the $160 that are currently also available that we transferred to our perpetual account right here. And up on the top right, this is our control center where we can open and close our trades, set the leverage, choose the position size, add take profit and stop loss and all of that, which we'll get into right now. So let's open our first long position. First, we need to click up here, and as margin mode, I recommend you to leave that on isolated. And down below, we can choose our leverage for long and short positions. In my case, I'm just going to leave it at a 5x leverage, but we could use an up to 150x leverage. Click on confirm to set that up right here. Then we're going to open a position, and next we can choose the order type. We can choose between a limit and a market order. If you choose a limit order, you could set a certain price in here. For example, if we say $85,000, then we would just simply place a limit order in here, and only if the price goes down and reaches that price, then our long position right here would be open. But what I would recommend you, and also use most of the time, is just a normal market order, because at a market order you don't type in a price, because the market order is simply executed immediately at the current market price. Next up, we can choose the position size. I recommend you to here go into quantity and here choose USDT by order value, because then we can simply type in the position size in here. Let's say we type in $500. That will mean it will be 0.005 BTC big, this position. This could sometimes be a little bit rounded down because it needs to round it to an even BTC value 3 digits after the decimal point. So as you can see down here, we are now using $88 of our own money times the 5x leverage will equal a little less than the $500. So around about like $450, something like that. And this will be the entire position size. And of course, our own money times the leverage will equal the position size. Next up, we can also add a take profit and stop loss if you want to do that. So if I just click on here, and let's say I can either type in the prices or just click on advanced and say I want to make, let's say 20% of a profit. That would mean $70 of profit on my own capital of $88 that we saw down here. And the price is automatically calculated and set up right here. Same goes for my stop loss. Let's say I want to make a maximum of 7% of a loss, $6 at that price, and it's also set up in here. Then just click on confirm, it's all set up, and then just click on open long, confirm it, and then we are already in our long position. You can see it immediately in the chart right here. The green line right here, this is where we entered, and the position size is the $440 right here. Up here is our take profit, and down here is our stop loss right in the chart. Down below right here, we can also see the open position. We can see it's a Bitcoin trade with a 5x leverage. We can see the position size again of $437. We can see our entry price. We can see our margin. This is our own capital in this trade, which we saw down here at the beginning. Unrealized P&L is currently a little bit in a profit because the price has gone up a little bit since we opened the position. And under realized profit, you can see a small loss. This is just because of the order fees that we paid for opening this trade. So at the beginning, this is always just a little bit in a loss. But if you were, for example, to take out some partial profits along the way, they would also be added in here and just shown as realized profits or losses. Then we can also see the liquidation price. Liquidation price would mean if we didn't place a stop loss, which we currently did, but let's assume we didn't place a stop loss and the price would go down this much, down to $70,000. Then this position right here would be so-called liquidated, which means it would be closed automatically by the platform and we would lose our entire margin, which is our own capital in this trade right here. But of course, we can prevent that from happening by placing a stop loss, which we already did, and where we said we only want to lose like a maximum of $6 for this trade. If you want to edit your take profit or stop loss, you can simply scroll here to the right under TPSL. If you just click on here, you can see you can either edit these and just type in a different value, or you could also just go into the chart, drag and hold it to a new position, and then you will see the new values and the new profit you would make. Click on confirm, and that way you can also change it, or as I shown you, just click on here and edit these, or you can also, of course, cancel them at any time and then just place new ones if you want to do that. To close your entire trade, you can either go up here to close, choose how much percent of your trade you want to close, or also down here by just clicking on market to close it immediately. And then in here, choose how much percent or how many dollars you want to close. Just click on close. Or if you want to close the entire position at just one click, you can also click on the small X right here or on flash close. I'm just going to quickly show you. You will see you will close the entire trade, click on confirm, and then you're also out of your trade again. Don't forget to create an account on Tapbit by using the first link down from the video description to get up to $320 of bonuses. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.